How to enable or disable transparent navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search transparent navigation bar. So scroll down, you will see transparent navigation bar is here. So if you want to enable transparent navigation bar, so turn on this button, you will see transparent navigation bar is enabled. So if you want to disable transparent navigation bar, so turn off this button, you will see transparent navigation bar is disabled. So you will enable or disable transparent navigation bar from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable transparent navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.